Hello there, this is Karen with 101 Artist, and in this I'm going to show you a quick beginner-friendly demo technique called stippling wet on wet paint using acrylic paints. As I've got a wet background with some paint laid down, and I put a little blob of yellow on, as you can see, and using a flat brush that has paint on it, so it is a wet brush with wet paint below. I am going through and laying down my brush flat and patting down that paint. Then I've added some white, titanium white with a palette knife. Using the same brush, I'm going through and patting that in, blending it a little bit here and there to vary the textures. Then I'm using a smaller wet brush with paint on it to lay that down. So it's basically laying down the paint using my brush's flat side to then stipple and create this texture that you see with the wet paint. So that is a very quick and very beginner technique using wet on wet paint, meaning wet paint on top of a wet background, and my brush is wet because I already had paint on it. If you're interested in this entire tutorial on how to create this very simple and beginner level acrylic painting, garden greens I called it, you can go to my blog at 101artist.com and get the entire tutorial demo there with materials I used and a little more insight on how I created certain areas of the painting. Thanks for watching.